gray code to binary conversion. Gray code to binary conversion. The first, there are 3 steps to convert gray code to binary conversions. The first step is the most significant of the binary number. The first step is the most significant bit of binary number is the same as most significant bit is the same as most significant bit of the gray code number of the gray code number. This is the first step. So write down MSB as it is. Write down MSB as it is. That is the first step. The second step is to obtain the next binary digit. To obtain the next binary digit, perform an exclusive OR operation. An exclusive OR operation between the bits just written down and the next gray code bit the next gray code bit. Write down the result. And third step is repeat step 2. Until gray code bits have been exclusive OR with binary digits. Repeat this step 2. All gray code bits have been exclusive OR with binary digits. So these are the 3 steps to convert the gray code to binary conversion. Repeat step 2. So repeat step 2 until all gray code bits have been exclusive ORed with binary digits. So these are the 3 steps to perform the converting gray code to binary. Okay, so you can easily understand. I will explain with one example. Convert gray code 101011 into its equivalent binary code. So convert the gray code 101011 into its equivalent binary code. So what is the gray code? Gray code number 101011. And you will convert this binary, right? What is the first step? Whatever the most significant bit in gray code number, write as it is same in binary number. First step is correct or not? So whatever the most significant in MSB, As it is, you will write down in the binary most significant bit. That is the first step, right? Then what is the second step? Next binary digit. You want to get next binary digit. Perform an exclusive OR operation between the values. What are those values between the two values? What are those two values means? What are those two values means? The bit just written down, that number, and next gray code number, and next gray code number. That means you can perform exclusive OR operation between these two values and write down the result. So one exclusive 0 until all gray code bits have been exclusively ORed with binary digits, right? So next, this is the input, and one more input is this. One exclusive 1. So the output will be 0, right?
0.
Yeah, next you can apply exclusive OR operation with this. 0 exclusive 0, 0. Yeah. Next you can apply exclusive OR operation between this. 0 exclusive 1,
1.
1. Yeah. And 1 exclusive 1,
0.
0. Yeah, this is the equivalent binary value for this gray code. That means 110010. 110010. Is it clear how to convert the gray code to binary conversion? Example. You can do one more example. 101110. 10110. Convert that gray code to binary. Convert that gray to binary. And tell me the result.
Double one.
110100, na? 110100. Is it correct? Everyone got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 1 exclusive 0, 1. Here 1 exclusive 1, 0. Here 0 exclusive 1, 1. And here 1 exclusive 1, 0. And here 0 exclusive 0, 0. The answer is 110100. Was it clear? Still you have any doubts regarding this conversion, gray code to binary conversion? Okay, in next class we will continue next conversion, that is binary to gray code conversion. Okay? Okay, ma.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Okay.